Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, I'm excited to introduce the 2025 Honda CRF450R, a top-tier motocross machine built to push the limits on power delivery, handling, and performance. If you've been following what Honda has been doing lately, you'll know they didn't just settle, they stepped up in meaningful ways this year. Let's dive in. Engine and power delivery. At the heart of the 2025 CRF450R is Honda's tried-and-tested 449.8 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, using the Unicam overhead cam design. While the bore and stroke remain the same, 96.0 mm x 62.1 mm, and the compression ratio stays at 13.5 to 1, Honda has refined the engine's breathing and mapping. There's a longer, more efficient exhaust header for better low to mid-range torque, plus updated ECU tuning so throttle response is smoother. Chassis, suspension and handling. One of the big updates is to the chassis. Although it's built on Honda's aluminum twin spar frame, about 70% of its components are new. Honda stiffened key areas: the steering head, fork clamps, front axle, all to improve front-end feel and stability at speed. The suspension gets serious upgrades. Up front, there are show of 49 mm coil spring forks with revised internals and updated damping. At the rear, there's a new spring rate, 52 newtons per millimeter vs last year's 56, a one-piece pull rod design, and a reworked shock linkage for smoother response and better bottoming resistance. Electronics, usability and other features. Honda hasn't ignored usability. The airbox is redesigned for a more direct airflow path, and the filter is easier to check. Also, the ECU and its mapping allow for more control. There are multiple engine maps, selectable traction control, and launch control. Performance metrics and competition position. In terms of performance, though peak horsepower doesn't skyrocket beyond competitors, the strength of the 2025 model is in a more usable, controllable power band. It's built for riders who want agility, precision, and confidence, especially in technical or mixed condition tracks. Conclusion. All in all, the 2025 Honda CRF450R is a bike for riders who want more than just raw horsepower. It delivers track-friendly torque, sharp handling, upgraded chassis dynamics, and better control electronics. Whether you're a motocross rookie pushing limits or a seasoned rider refining your flow, this bike offers balance, precision, and confidence. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.